trying to revisit the method overloading concept. I've taken the earlier MyMath class, which has an add, minus, multiply, divide. And MyMath does not have any constructor. If it has a constructor, it should have public MyMath in it. This one would give it a constructor. And then within that, I can decide what I want to send and what I want to do. Now that is a constructor. Right now, no constructor. So we just have add, minus, multiply, divide. So I'm going to go to P4. And here I created M1. Any errors here, team? No, it's just a warning that you're seeing. Now, if I say M1 dot add 10, 123.45, will it work, team? It is actually double, because we gave it as double, it is casting it. Now, here is the automatic casting. Auto casting to double. Now, if I went to MyMath and change these to integers only, okay, double no problem. It'll take an integer into double, it'll take anything into double. Of course, it should be a number. And I come back here. Now I can't say 10 anymore. Why? Because I have to set 10.00 or 10.0. Then no problem. What happened here? Change method. No. Save this first. MyMath.java int. So both are integers, sorry. 10, and it will not let me do 123.45. It has to be a perfect integer. But if I want it to have a capability to be able to do anything, then it should do this. Okay, so this is fine for double or integers. And you create one more. If add and add here is the same, then it's a problem, team. Even if there's one change in the variations of inputs that we are sending, then it will take it as a different method. Now what we did is called as a method overloading. This add. It doesn't have to be the number of inputs, even type of inputs. So now out here, I can say m1 dot add 10, 23. I can say m1 dot add 10.0, 123.45, and that's fine too. Each one will go to a different line. So from line 9, I believe it should go directly here because integers are fine. And then for the next one, it should come here unless it's the order that it looks at. So let's do a debug run. Again, right click, toggle breakpoint. Let's debug. Switch perspective, no. And out here, I'm in m1.add. So I'm going to say step into everyone. I've come to this method, which are passing two numbers. So I'm going to just say step over and come out of this. Now I'm in the next one, m1.add. Okay. I'm sorry, step into. Now see, it's come to different function. First it came to add method on line 4. Now it came to add method on line 9 because of what we are sending as a difference. And that's what is method overloading. Can everyone else hear me? Deepti, unfortunately, is not able to hear me, it seems. Okay, so that's it from my side, team. I don't have anything else unless you show me progress. And I can finish the last 2 sessions very, very quickly. I'll just go through as a breeze, but I'm more worried that none of you are catching up. So that's why I've delayed other things, other projects, and so on. All right, everyone, please practice right now. Pick it up, open up the previous videos, and start practicing. Show me tomorrow what is the update. Yes, Lakshmi, what's your question?
Yeah. I just practiced, Karthik.
I'll look at it
The
later.
one.
I want to
Okay,
see the
no.
others also catch up. I told you this earlier also.
Okay.
But I appreciate what you're doing, Lakshmi. You're one of the
Yeah.
few people who's actually putting a lot of effort in showcasing things very well to
Okay.
us. I just worried about the entire team too. Sir, if we click switch perspective, what will happen? Okay. See, debug with switch perspective will show you a few other things. Now let me try and rerun this and show you. Okay. So I do a debug run. I say switch. It'll give you a few more. Actually, in my thing, both are the same. It is not default. But you can they'll have different windows. That's a team. Windows on what else you can do, like watching the variables and so on. Window perspective, open perspective, reset perspective. Reset this. Now do you see? So you have some variables, what you can watch and what's happening. So M1 is getting created here. Actually, M1 got created already. And we are able to run this. So as you keep going step by step, you'll also notice what is happening out here. So that is the switch the perspective. Okay, everyone. Who else? Anyone else with questions? Sure, you're welcome, Varsha and Deepthi. Okay, please practice right away. Start it, finish it, show me tomorrow. I'm gonna finish my other sessions tomorrow day after. I'm not gonna even ask you team if you're practiced or not. All right, see you later. Bye everyone. Thank you.